Hello everyone, class 12th, NCERT solution for class 12th chemistry by Mahesh Bhardwaj, chapter 2, solution. Here we will discuss a in-text unsolved question. The question number is 2.8. The vapor pressure of pure liquid A and B are 450 and 700 millimeter mercury respectively at 350 Kelvin. Find out the composition of liquid mixture if total vapor pressure is 600 millimeter of mercury. Also find the composition of the vapor phase. Here we solve the question. Given value are P naught A is 450 millimeter of mercury. P naught B is 700 millimeter of mercury, that is given. P total is given, that is 600 millimeter of mercury. Here from Raoult's law we have PA is equal to product of P naught A mole fraction of A. PB is equal to P naught B mole fraction of B. We know mole fraction of B is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of A. Thus we can write P naught B 1 minus mole fraction of A. P total is equal to PA plus PB. Thus P total is equal to, we substitute the value of PA and PB, that is P naught A mole fraction of A, P naught B 1 minus mole fraction of A. We multiply P naught B with 1 minus mole fraction of A, value comes to be P naught B minus P naught B mole fraction of A. We observe mole fraction of A and mole fraction of A is common in these two terms. Thus value comes to be P total is equal to P naught A minus P naught B mole fraction of A plus P naught B. Now we will substitute the value of P total, that is 600, P naught A 450, P naught B 700, P naught B 700. When we start solving it, the value comes to be 600 minus 700 is equal to 450 minus 700 mole fraction of A. The value comes to be minus 100 minus 250 mole fraction of A. Minus 2 minus cancel out, 0 to 0 value cancel out. The mole fraction of A is equal to 10 upon 25. The value comes to be 0.4. So the mole fraction of A is 0.4. Okay. Thus we know that mole fraction of B is equal to 1 minus mole fraction of A. Thus value of mole fraction B comes to be 0.6. Now we will calculate the pressure of component A, which is equal to the product of P naught A mole fraction of A. P naught A is 450, mole fraction of A 0.4. That net value comes to be 180 millimeter of mercury. Similarly, pressure of component B is equal to P naught B mole fraction B. P naught B value is 700. Mole fraction of B is 0.6. Net value comes to be 420 millimeter of mercury. Okay. Now, in the vapor phase, the mole fraction of component A is equal to PA upon PA plus PB. We substitute the value of PA, that is 180, value of PB 420 plus 180, that is the value of PA. When we solve it, value comes to be 180 divided by 600, the value comes to be 3 by 10. So net value comes to be 0.30. Okay. Now mole fraction of component B is equal to 1 minus 0.30, that is 0.70. Okay. I hope you are able to understand this question. If you want more NCERT question, more study material, please visit to our website, that is teachingpoint.org.in. Okay, thank you students. Please take care.